Atherosclerotic vascular disease is the leading cause of disability and death worldwide. It presents most notably in the heart, where it is commonly called coronary artery disease. This is caused by a buildup of plaque in the wall of the coronary arteries, which can restrict blood flow to the heart muscle, often causing what is commonly called a heart attack. For the last 15 years at Zeus, with the help of partners like Miko, our team has focused on developing bioabsorbable products that play a key role in the treatment of this terrible disease. Metallic drug-eluting stents are today's gold standard for treating this condition in the coronaries. They're proven devices, but they're not perfect. Because they are permanent implants, they may pose long-term risks of restenosis or thrombosis, with adverse event rates occurring after the first year at a rate of 2 to 3% per year.
Today, drug-eluting stents command the biggest market share with more than 66% of the global coronary stents market. Miko was founded more than 30 years ago and is a pioneer in laser-based stent manufacturing. Since 1995, we have helped to manufacture a wide variety of stent types, starting with high-precision tubing, which is then processed to a cleaned and electro-polished scaffold. Many of our components are successfully used in disease treatment today. However, we have seen an increasing interest in the use of bioresorbable vascular scaffolds, devices that resorb naturally into the body over time and return the vessel to its normal state as closely as possible. Leaving nothing behind is an intriguing concept, one that has yet to realize the full potential. New bioresorbable technologies are leading the way to innovative solutions.
Zeus's new product, Absorv XSE, has an important part to play in advancing BRS technology, with several features that significantly improve upon what was possible with previous generations of bioresorbable scaffolds. This new tubing platform gives designers more efficient and predictable options for replacing metallic stents in a wider variety of procedures, thanks to its unmatched sizing, enhanced wall uniformity, and tailored absorption profiles. We think it can really change the game when it comes to new BRS designs.